Good morning, Bomdia, to Dubai. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. If you can hear me, just let me know. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. No. Thank you, Jero man. Thank you, brother. Good morning, Julio. Julio Caesar. RS, good morning. Neon Web Trades, good morning, brother. Two brothers Kramer. Brother, do you know what is MRC? MRC? What is MRC? I don't know, brother. He said, how are you, brother? Good morning. Time. Who is in a trade right now? Let me start a poll because I really need to know what is your bias today. Is it where is it going? Sky, EART is Earth, and another option is middle. Let's see where the market is going today. Let's see. 23,840. 23,840. 23,840. Why you always look so high? I mean, 840 is too high, right? Even too high, too high. I mean, that for seriously? I'm still bullish from yesterday. Okay, let's see, brother. You are bullish? Anyone else here who is in bullish price action or who is thinking that this market will go higher? Anyone else? Okay, buen dia, Chitu. Saludos from Mexico. Buen dia. Buen dia, brother Alberto. Thank you for letting me know that you're from Mexico because some of you are new here and I really forget where you from. You were watching. Where you from? You were watching actually. So if you say I'm from Mexico, it will be easier for me to remember that this guy Alberto is actually from Mexico and I know this man. Okay, so please try to let me know where you from actually and where you watching from. It will help me to remember your names as well. Measurement for our high. Let's see, brother. So far, I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. It is the new week opening gap right now. Market is trading both new week opening gap and today's new day opening gap. So until it's not broken, I can't think about sell. For me, thinking about buy is more easier. But as this market is in a premium area right now, so taking a buy is risky to me. I really don't want to take any kind of buy, but I can't look for sell. If I would love to trade, I have to look for a buy. Unfortunately, the area is too much premium, so you know, bit bit difficult for me. Bro, wanna chill music, bro? I'm actually happy. I got that run. Uh, execution. So you can see here. Took a sell here, add more there, got stopped out here. Just for a bit. Just for a bit I got stopped out, okay? I mean, it's just my bad luck. I got stopped out. You can see here. At the top, it just stopped me out. I was thinking that this guy is too cruel to me. Like, I was thinking, okay, then take another cell here, add more there, add more here. So three add. Took some partial here to the sell side liquidity. All of the sell side liquidity took some partial there. Took some partial here to the midnight open, and finally stopped out over here by trailing the stop loss around this area. My target was this fair value gap was my target actually. Unfortunately, I trailed the stop loss too far. I didn't see this fair value gap over here, small fair value gap. Otherwise, maybe I would survive. Otherwise, I just got stopped out here and then market boom fall. It is what it is. But I'm really so happy to catch that run. But I was very unsatisfied when I saw that it just stopped me out by tick, just by one tick. It stopped me out. I was saying, why you just came to stop my stop loss and then we would love to follow? Why did you do that? It is what it is. No, no hate actually. कुछ कुछ होता है आप तो मेरा दिल. Hmm. Inside day, no bias today. Okay. For me, like something like that, same thing. Like very difficult to take buy because it is in premium. Selling is absolutely like suicide because here we have new week opening gap, new day opening gap, everything. So it's kind of suicidal if I take the sell. But I can't take the buy as well because it's in premium. So if I have to go, I have to go maybe like not buy, not sell. I have no idea. Okay, so let it decide where it would love to go first. Then we'll do something. Today is Friday, also mental capital preservation day. So make sure that you are not in rush. Actually, good morning, Sujivan. Sujivan, please guys, let me know exactly where you're from watching me. It will help me to remember you. Okay, so like good morning, brother from London. Good morning, brother from USA. Good morning, brother from Mexico. Something like that. It will help me. Okay, to understand the worldwide people over here, a crowd from different corner of the world. Don't you feel like that way? This is a platform where we are watching or doing trading from different corner of this planet. Isn't it so fun, man? WTF, bro? On a chill music. MB Trader, good morning, brother. Today is a rough day. We don't need any more subscribers. It's 9/11. A happy number now. By the way, that's my birthday as well. 9/11, but not this month, next month. 9/11. By the way, I'm hungry. What are you doing here then, Tamimi? Please, I don't want to see you over here. Go somewhere else to eat something. Do you think those 15-minute fair value gaps below sell side liquidity will be a major pull? Fair value gap can't be a major pull. If you think about the fair value gap, they're the liquidity or market. These gaps are grabbing the market. No, it's a bad decision. Like ICT said that volume imbalance, new day opening gap, new week opening gap, they're kind of magnet. No, I'm not agree with that. I really don't agree with that at all. This is my understanding, but I'm not agree with that. You guys remember I asked you a question some days ago over here while market was there. I told that what do you see here? Do you see any buy side liquidity or any sell side liquidity? Okay, so market, yeah, after that specific day, today, there is today actually, not, let me go to the hourly chart, it will be easier. One day, today. So this time market came here. Still, I have this all sell side liquidity. So retail trader are seeing that still this is a very support zone, strong support zone here. That is the very support zone, and this market is going higher. I don't want them to be profitable, because if this market go to the all-time high, all of these buyers will be profitable. Why the regular trading hour? Because Wall Street people are watching this chart. We are seeing the electronic chart, but they are seeing this chart. Okay, regular trading hour where price start around 9:30 and price closed around 4:14. That is the chart retail, the Wall Street people are watching. So this is a very important area where you have to have an idea what this market is actually trading. You can see there is a gap, still there is a gap. Okay, so still I'm bearish right now. This is trading, yes, I mean it has traded the yesterday's opening gap. You can see here it has breached that opening gap, trade that opening gap. Now I think that it will fall. That is just my opinion. I'm interested, more interested to see the fall, at least for this gap over here, at least for this gap by today. And then if it can go through this and come for the sell side liquidity, that is a different matter of situation. But right now I'm more interested to see it will come here, but it will struggle a lot here because there is new week opening gap, new day opening gap, a lot of things over there. So we have to see how this is going to work. Overall, this is the sell side liquidity, which is I'm more interested to see this market will purge the sell side liquidity here today. Okay, that is the sell side liquidity, which is my first intention today to be taken. But again, selling is very difficult for me as this market is now trading. You can see new day opening gap, which is from today, new week opening gap from July 27. So even if it fall, it has to do a lot of struggle around this area to be fallen. So be very careful. I can't take buy because it's in a premium area. So if it keep going higher, maybe I will wait for the pullback or some kind of retracement. I will try to trade the retrace leg, not the buy run. Okay, so that is my thinking for today, but we'll see how it is going to work around the opening or 9:30. On my left hand side, that is 1 minute chart. On my right hand side, that is 15-minute chart. So overall, that is the price action. Nothing very exciting over here on the chart. Nothing at all. Sachin, exact same thought process. Happy to see. Wow, I can see that we are getting more wizard. Guys, did you push the like button? Did you push the like button? Mahdi, did you push the like button? Tamimi, did you push the like button, brothers? You are my moderators. If you don't push the like button, who is going to smash that like button? And find out who didn't push the like button and block them, okay? Block them from me. Thank you, Sujivan. You're from Canada. Thank you for letting us know. Yeah, that is how. Please give me the reply that brother, I'm watching you from USA, Canada, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, or maybe Middle East, wherever you are, Africa, Kenya. Just let me know that. Hey P, good morning, brother. Man, that would require big news to move down to that level, no? It doesn't need the big news to move. Like over here, you can see that is a run from here to here. It's near about 660 handle. Okay, without any kind of news, it was 60 handle fall. But as you see here, like here, this is 23,000 and this is 23,500. So it's just a 500 handle. For NASDAQ, 500 handle is nothing. You'll understand. Like yesterday, market has moved. If I say from here, okay, like 7 a.m. So from there, from here to here, It was 531 handle move without any kind of news. We had a news around 8:30, but around 8:30, to be honest, there was no volatility at all. So this is that 8:30 area, 8:30 candle, no volatility. You can see nothing. So without news, it moved 530 handle. So it doesn't need a news to fall until here. At least not for the NASDAQ. 500 handle, 800 handle is just nothing for NASDAQ. Now these times where it is so much volatile. Hmm. Okay, let's smash it. Yeah, please push the like button. Mahdi did not push the like button. Tamimi, can you please block Mahdi? Smash the likes. Thank you, Matthew, for reminding our viewers to smash the like button. I'm expecting Asia high to be taken out above, which also left relatively equal highs. Then later on, we are going to move lower. We'll see that, brother. I think I have marked. You are talking about this high. If I'm not wrong, this is the Asia high. Okay, yeah, I can see this is the Asia high, but I marked it as my buy side liquidity. Though there is something, it has traded the 50% of the week, so still that is buy side liquidity. So I kept them open. Mm, please don't push two times. Don't push the like button for two times. If you would love to push, then push three times, not two times. Watching from Bangladesh. Thank you, Tanmoy Khan, for being over here from Bangladesh. I love to see the Bengali people. Don't fall into the trap of binary options, please. I saw that a lot of Bengali people fall into the trap of binary options. Telegram channel bullshit. Where is my message? Where is your message? I think Tamimi has deleted your message, Mahadi. That's a brother. Thank you, Ben. Let me see how many people are thinking this market is going to go to the sky. 38% people are thinking this is going to the sky. It will die. It will fall into the earth. 32%. Middle is 33%. Wow. Best poll ever. Best poll ever. 37%, 32%, 32%. See, this is the market right now today. So difficult. Yes, there's the Asia high. The daily week 50% has not been traded yet. It missed it by a few points, I believe. Okay, if it does fail to trade it, that means it's more bearish. If it failed to trade the 50, week 50%. But let's see, as I told, I can't take the buy here as it is in premium area. I can't take the sell as it is above the new opening gap, new week opening gap, new week opening gap. Okay, so I have to be very careful before taking my decision. But 9:30 will tell us what is going to happen. 9:30 will tell us. Okay. Tamimi, yes, 28 likes. Are you sure? 29 likes, man. 74 people are watching. 29 likes. Who didn't give me the like? If you have the courage, tell me that I didn't push the like. Why you learn trading, bro? Right now I'm trading. I'm learning from you guys. Like whoever is my viewers, I try to learn from you. But previously I tried to learn it from ICT himself. I love it. That means Tamimi is still alive. Yeah, I was missing him, man. To be honest, for last few days he was busy with his niece, and that is why he was not here. And today he's active and you will be always, you have to be very careful. Okay, any kind of bad word if you use, he can block immediately. Sometimes he threat me if I use a bullshit word. He just threat me and tell me if you ever use that bullshit word, I'm gonna block you. So I have to be very careful about choosing my word as well. 23501 first. After that I will decide what to do. 23501 501 501. I think you are talking about here somewhere. Okay, so you're thinking it will fall first, then you will decide. That's a good idea, brother. That's really a good idea, Sresh. I didn't push the like. So he, Tamimi, you found your victim, man. There is Sresh Sharma who didn't push the like. Please block him. I want market to go weekly, week low. I also want to see that win. J Marquis, thanks for that penguin man. Love you so much. Ben, where is SK? SK is busy. He's outside of the town actually, and he's a bit busy. We talked yesterday, and he told that he'll be back very soon. You know, the family man. He's the family man. That's why I told you guys, please don't get married. Sachin, please don't get married, okay? 77 watching, 34 likes. Please push the like button, folks. It's completely free, but shows our appreciation to what he does for us. That is a great compliment. Thank you so much, Madhi, for reminding our viewers to give us some likes. Please, guys, push the like button, push the subscription button. Make it 10,920. When I will get 10,000, 11,000, man? Still need 89 subscribers. He's honest and brave. Won't block him today. Next week, inshallah. Yeah, it's true. Let's some booms. Let's some booms. What does that, Tamimi? Without meeting you, I'll not marry. Great decision, man. That means you are planning to get 200K before getting married. Wow, nice plan. Good morning, Baragan. Let us know when you are saying something. Let us know where you're watching from. What would you advise to learn for beginner with ICT mentorship 22, or if you love to watch from ICT himself, I always prefer 22 to 2022 mentorship. I prefer that. My name is Titu and I am a ICT trader. I love to trade futures market. More important, more specifically NASDAQ market. Previously, I used to trade ES market. I'm a trader from Bangladesh. By born, I'm Bangladeshi, but sometimes I also trade from Portugal as that is my second home. So sometimes you'll see that I'm trading from Portugal. Sometimes you'll see I'm trading from Bangladesh. I don't trade forex. I don't trade gold. I don't trade cryptocurrency. My favorite market is this Nasdaq market right now. I have no idea when I will switch my chart from Nasdaq to ES, but I'm pretty much confident I'm not going to switch my chart from futures to forex market, because forex is a manipulative market where you don't have the freedom. Broker can make you a loser if they want. Thank you, Tamimi, for sharing the link. If any of you are interested to learn from our channel, then Tamimi has provided a link. You guys can check that out. 6369.25 perfect equal loss on ES. Right now, I'm interested about NASDAQ. Let's see what NASDAQ is going to do. Guys, push the subscription button. Make it 11,000 subscriber by today. If you do that, I'll make a giveaway. If I get 11,000 subscriber by today, it is impossible. That is what I'm saying. I'll make a giveaway. Take profit trader account, maybe 50K account or 100K account or 75K account, but at least 50K account. So at least 2 to 3 account, I'll give it for free. I know that I'll never get 11,000 by today, so I don't need to worry about that. But if I get 11,000 by today, I'll do that. On the background, is there any kind of cricket? জানি না জানি না দূরে দূরে মন যাচ্ছে পুরে মন স্মৃতি দোটানা জানি না কেন তা জানি না জানি না কেন তা জানি না. To participate for today's giveaway, you need to push the like button and join on Discord to confirm your YouTube account and get your prize. Discount link is here. Thank you so much for sharing the discount link. Yes, but cricket sound is peaceful. I love it. Then I'll keep it. If they don't bark, I'll request them. Please bark. Please bark. While at least while I'm doing the live. Waiting for 9:30. 4 minutes left. So let's wait for 4 minutes to see what is going to happen. Guys, please push the like button. If you don't push the like button, I'm not. It's gonna be very difficult for me to continue this. Day by day, I'm losing my hope for doing this live stream or all of these things. I'm losing my hope. So please help me. Help me. Not by your money, but by your pushing like button. That's all I want from you. দূরে দূরে মেঘে যাচ্ছে পুরে মনোনীল স্মৃতি তুলনা দূরে দূরে মেঘে যাচ্ছে পুরে মনোনীল স্মৃতি তুলনা জানি না কেন তা জানি না জানি না কেন তা জানি না জানি না কেন তা জানি না খোয়ে খোয়ে যাওয়া এই সময় মেনে নেয় তার পহরা জীবন We'll be back in an hour. Rock the market, brother Chichu. Thank you, brother. I'm waiting for you to say welcome back. Why you have that sell side liquidity at 23,513? Because there is sell side liquidity. See? This is the zone. I just mark a line. So, good morning, GN. GN1313. Good morning, brother. Welcome to our live streaming. Let's say how to grab the liquidity. Got it. 23501 is 0.2 of TGIF and sell side. Please check or else I will evaporate. First of all, the TGIF line is not important for me before 230. This is the first thing. Secondly, what did you say? Sell side liquidity. We can check that. 23501. 501. What do you have over there? You have this sell side liquidity. Absolutely, you are right. I can't argue with you, brother. This is sell side liquidity. You are absolutely right. There is 930 open. A very smaller opening gap. Hey Naj, how are you, sister? Good morning, Arsalan. Okay, if it is not the first presented gap, I'm not going to take this trade. Still now, 45.56. Still now, that is the first presented gap. Janina. Good morning, good luck to your to our trade, brother. Let's see. Good luck, brother. Thank you so much. খোয় খোয় যাওয়া এ সময় please don't copy this trade because this is just the first presented gap entry. So I would love to mark this entry for 1 month. It basis on 1 month. It's not for 1 day or 1 week. So every day I go for first presented gap and end of the month I will be profitable. That is my belief. Okay, so I would love to go for this trade. I'm not asking any of you to go for this trade. There is no price action, there is nothing, just simply BC buy, CB sell. Stop loss is below that candle which has made the first presented fair value gap valid. Didn't work. So let's stop now. Wait for the next opportunity. What was the loss? Let me check. Still 1100. Nothing to worry about that. I'm not going to take any kind of sell here. If you would love to take the sell, please go for it. I'm not interested to take any kind of sell. This week first presented gap worked only Monday. Ha 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 Please don't copy this trade. It's a request to everyone. Come on, man. Come at least until the open. At least until the open. At least until the open. A bit more. A bit more. Come on. Come on. Please. Please. Shit. Come, baby, come. Come to Papa, then go higher. Good morning, John Jumoni. It's not a good idea because the stop loss is bigger rather than the profit. That was the best, sorry, the most bad idea to me. At least until the open, it should have come. Why I did that mistake? Now, please don't do this drama. You should go more than 5 handle. 50, 83, 85. Here I did a mistake. Actually, I wanted to see it will come to this open, okay, up to this order block. But as you have seen that it just tapped to the high of this order block. That was the biggest mistake for me because that was the most logical level, okay, to come to this open, but it didn't come. Otherwise, I could got this one. And later I told that I should not go for this because it's less than my stop loss. But later I have seen that it's 14 handle. At least my target is 17 handle. So at least I am going to get 1:1 after taking that 11 handle loss. At least 1:1. So that is why I target this and that. So it is what it is. Let's see. Thank you, Baragan, for that boom, man. Raja, thanks for that boom, brother. That was my trade. I didn't ask any of you to take that entry, by the way. That was the boom for me. Okay, I got some more boom. Thank you, Gangjong. Thank you, Landra. John, nice trade. Missed entry by one tick. Ah, shit happens. Khalid, thanks for that boom, brother. Thank you so much. I got another one subscriber. 10,913. Need 87 more. Took at 543. Closed as Asia high. Took at 543. Can you please tell me the candle? 543. So you took around 543 the entry. By the way, market has closed the opening gap 100% by that week. That was weird. Let's see. NQ moving as I expected. Now let's see if I can reverse after 10. So you're thinking that after 10 it is going to reverse? I was thinking the same, brother. Believe me or not. Believe me or not. Gangjong 23543. Oh, okay, 23543, 543. You took the entry around here, I guess. 543. You took the entry around here. I'm not interested to take a buy while this market is above the first presented gap. My plan was to take the entry to the top of this first presented gap, but while I have seen this order block, I was a bit afraid that it will tap to the high of this order block, then it will go higher. What happened actually with aligned the midnight open. But the week could take me by trading that open of that order block. It was like it betrayed me. So I had nothing to do without chasing the market. I chased the market from there. 934 candle, that's why I took. Oh, okay. 934 candle. This candle you took the entry. I took the same entry, but after tried to take the entry from 936. I can see that we were like thinking the same. I think like you, brother, because I learned a lot from you. I think like you, brother, because I learned a lot from you. I will say that I think like you guys because I also learned a lot from you guys. Sujivan, nothing for me. I see people make money. Ah, man, it's okay. People will make money, people will lose money. That is the nature of trading, right? Yeah, sometimes if you can let them go, means you are actually working with your psychology, which is the hardest part for most of the people. All you have to do to know this market is rigged, is look around. Everyone is mostly broke. It's true, man. True. Previous day high is close. Previous day high is close. Oh, okay. It's very near. You mean to say that? My logic was to talk open liquidity, fill the gap, strong, weak, so took it. Ah, it worked, man. Either way, it worked. So thank yourself. Oh, man, I took that into you. Wow, awesome. There was no manipulation down, or else I would took an entry. Absolutely, I agree with you, brother. If this market could do a bit more lower, that would be the best case of scenario to take the buy. I took the entry depending on the first presented gap and that liquidity. Okay, just because of this, I tried to take that entry. While it came to this 1 minute last parallel gap here and saw the rejection, sent the market until this full open closed inside this first presented gap. I got confident this is the reaction, not the reversal. Because if it would be the reversal, then market would never close inside this first presented gap. Instead, it would close here somewhere. In that type of situation, I would take the sell from the first presented gap for those sells and liquidity. But as when I got confirmation that it is reaction from the last parallel gap, I was confident about taking a buy. That's why I chased the market even from there. Until this buy side liquidity, that was obvious. So thinking process is depending on the liquidity and the price action. I don't have any bias, first of all. No bias. I don't have any kind of bias. I want to see this market will fall. That's all I want to see. But if it keep going higher, no objection because I don't have the bias. Let's see if it can sweep yesterday's high, then reverse. If yesterday high is being swept, if this high is swept, that high, okay, if it is swept, this is next high which market is going for. Told you. Thanks me later. Only paper trade for me. This AM 100 ticks very tricky. Paper trade is also learning session. Let's see if macro can push it to 671. As I told, if it takes previous day high, it will keep going higher until 230. It will keep going higher. Look what happened over here. Okay, this is the candle right now. Market is trading for. Okay, if it go previous day high, that means it has no intention or no rights to fall again. It should keep going higher for the high, at least for the all-time high or the 50% of that week. It should reach until that area. If it take that high, because this high has traded some specific area from yesterday. I mean that week 50% didn't touch it, but at least went very near, then rejected from there. What does it mean? That means it is rejecting from there. So it should keep following the today's candle should follow the rejection. If it doesn't do that, instead take that high, there is 90% possibility it will keep going higher until the 50% of that week, until this line. Just remember that line. That line. Let me mark it as a black. Okay, that line. From 4-hour chart, this area, as I told you, if you remember or not, there is a volume imbalance over here. This volume imbalance has been traded yesterday. The highest up close body close candle is the order block. Right now this market is trading the order block. In my opinion, even it should not close above this line. So if I put a line here, even it should not close above that line. This 4-hour candle should not close above that line. It should respect this order block and then start to fall again. If it close above this line, that means it is coming to this line. More importantly, trade this up. For our last fair value gap, that will be violated. Wick will go until that area. From hourly chart, I have the last fair value gap over here. If this high is taken, this last fair value gap is next target, and more importantly, that wick 50%. 15-minute chart is too messy, so nothing to say from the 15-minute chart. It's too messy over here. Like boom, 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 boom. Lot of fall, lot of fair value gap over there. So I would love to say it will fall now. Here, I'm not interested to mark it. Instead, I would love to mark the open of this 15-minute order block. Here. To see if it can hold it and send the market lower. It doesn't mean that I'm asking you guys to think about sell. If you find any opportunity, take the buy. No problem with that. In my opinion, the sell has already been created. I thought 1 hour breaker would send the price down. Yeah, of course it can. There is a breaker as well, but as there is all-time high. But more importantly, I have the fair value gap or everything, so I don't need to mark the the breaker block. In my opinion, the sell has been started already from this gap. If it doesn't, then this gap will be reversed and market will go higher. We'll see that. Here there is a small risk, okay, like something like that. I'm not asking any of you to take this entry, something like that, like 33 handle after taking the partial around 20 handle. Please don't push the button here. If that is a high probability, I would push the button. It's just an expectation. If you would love to take the risk, it should be your own risk. Like 1 micro contract, then push the button, no problem. Stopped. Did you take the buy or sell, brother? Let me mark the 20 handle, which should be the partial. This should be the partial. Again, I'm not asking any of you to take this entry. It's a low probable trade, just an expectation. And target will be there. Please don't push the button. If you push the button, that should be your own risk. If it was a high probability, I would push my button. You took short. Suresh Sharma 1. What do you mean by 1, brother? It didn't work. It might first take out that high. Yeah, of course it can do that. It's an expectation. It's not an idea for a trade, ideal trade. I will push the button if that is a high probability. It's just a low probability, as I told. If you would love to go for 1 micro contract. 15 handle, that means 15, $30 loss. No problem with that. But don't take risk over here. It's a low probability, absolutely low probability. Market has given me a big run. Now it is doing some kind of consolidation. So let's wait. It will show you the sign that it would love to go higher or it would love to fall. Sorry, a switching time frame. Oh, okay, no problem. I took it at pullback below previous first presented fair value gap. It failed. Market never closed below the first presented gap. So why did you take the sell? Wait for CISD. You can do that. Oh, yesterday's, why it is important to you? Yesterday's first presented gap, why it is important to you, brother? Just because it is yesterday's first presented gap? No, it doesn't have any value to me because it has been used already. Only if Monday's first presented gap is important. Oh, just a paper trade, took a short. Ah, you lose a paper money. Man, you lose paper money. Come on, man. Take liquidity. Is that a question, George? I don't have the liquidity here. Do I have any liquidity there? No, I don't have any liquidity over there. Hey Mahadi, how many likes did I get, brother, today? 135 people are watching. Did I get 100 likes? That was the first presented fair value gap entry. Got stopped out for 11 handle, and that entry has given me a lot of profit. Partial here, closed there. So overall, it has given me near about 32 handle. Better. Here, same thing. 300, 3 handles, 3 tick loss, 32 handle profit with the partial. You're the boss, man. This entry just depending on the first presented gap. BC buy, CB sell. Don't get confused of that. I'll keep going for that. It's going to sky. Let's see how many people are actually pushed the sky button. 46. Middle is 32. I'm also with this guy actually 32. I can't push my vote to sky. I'm in middle. I have no idea what is going to happen now. Earth is 22%. Let's see. If I switch my vote from middle, then I will switch to earth with 22% people. I think I'm wrong because 47%, I'm going against 47% people. Attitude here will create a ocean of emotions in me, so no entries. I got you, Sreshama. It's 63 likes. Are you kidding me? Only 63? I put middle. I'm with you, Matthew. I'm with you. Disappointing. 139 people are watching. 35 people are watching. At least half of the team have not pushed that like button. Yes, true. Hey, Eagle Sniper. You're late, brother. You missed all the boom. I made some crazy profit today. Is equal to 0.35 points. 0.35 points. Crazy profit. I agree with you, brother. I made $10 paper money. Who else have made some money? Paper money, $10 paper money. Money is made by paper. So don't get like disappointed. Okay, by the way, if the market close below this gap, I'm going to take my next sell. Ooh, it's 22 handle stop loss. Should I go for it? Mm, should I go for this? Should I go for this? Should I go for this? Should I? Should I? Please don't close below this parallel gap. I can just request to the market, please don't close below this parallel gap. Otherwise, I'll get confused. Please don't close. Please don't close. AP down 500. That big wick stopped me out. Oops. Bad luck, brother. Trump, Putin, and Zelensky will meet at Rome next week, most probably, and this news can ruin the whole market today, which is Friday. And said huge new week opening up on Monday. Be careful, folks. Thank you, Mahdi, for that information, brother. Now I am sure that we are MMBM, market maker buy model. Okay. Previous day high is just above us. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. True. How many of you are thinking that this market is going for the previous day high? Previous day high. Let's see how many of you are thinking that this is going to take the previous day high. This is the line which is the previous day high. So how many do you think that it's going to take the previous day high? Ah, 8 vote. Oh, okay. 90% people are thinking this is going to take the previous day high. Can I vote here? No, I can't. Otherwise, I would vote it on no. I hope so. Let's see, brother Hamza. Rider for our close is so such for previous day high. Okay. You're thinking that it is going to take the previous day high because 4 hour candle has closed. Okay, it has closed there. Perfect. Yeah, it has closed above the mean threshold of that order block. It is not good. Absolutely, it's not good. So if you think that it is going to take the previous day high, did you take the buy? At this point, yeah, I think so. Let's see. It will then down. Okay, Rogers. I agree with you. If it can take that previous day high, it will down. But before going to fall, I believe it will come to this gap. More importantly, to this line. Before coming to this line, it's not going to fall. It's just my opinion. My aim is just that FOMC liquidity till then, no bearish trades. FOMC trade, I mean liquidity. Come on, man. You went too previous. I mean too fast. But we'll see, brother. Let's see if it can go for that previous, I mean, that FOMC liquidity or not. Uh, at all, okay, 23,600 plus. 23,600 plus. It's already above 23,600. I'm waiting for a drop. I'm also waiting for a drop and won't be surprised to 23,800. 23,800 so far. Okay, let's see, brother. Let's see, brother. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Purge and reward, hopefully. I hope so. It left my entry just for a tick and moved up. I hate your girlfriend. But she took me. She took me just by a tick. She took me, brother. I love my girlfriend. Look, she just took me. Tapped to me, went higher. So I love my girlfriend. Uh, who is in a buy right now? Who is in a buy right now by thinking that previous day high is going to be purged? So okay. New playing new day opening gap 731. Okay, there is this new week opening gap. New day opening gap. I didn't know that. Oh, there was a new day opening gap. Absolutely. Hamza, you are in a long 23,599 long. 23,599 long. Oh, you took a long here. You took long there and holding the trade. Oh, it's okay. I was asking if there is anyone who took the long from here around this area. Rahul Verma, you are in a long 607. That is also the same area, I guess. So from there you took the long. Perfect. Hold. If you take the partial, hold it until the previous day high, and I hope you will get your boom, brother. Or if you would love to hold it for more, best of luck. Something bad happens. Oil is falling sharply. Can you find out what happened, brother? I'm not saying it for today. That's my weekly bias. That FOMC liquid. Oh, okay. That was your weekly bias. Okay, brother. Today is the last day actually. So I think your weekly bias and today's bias are the same. Also the gold. Gold is also falling. Okay. No, it's in premium. Yes, sir. It's in premium. I'm not interested to push the buy button here just because previous day high is just in front of me. That is why I'm not interested to push the buy button around this area. Let's get a boom. Waiting. Boom, brother, boom. You got your boom. 698 target and trailing my stops. Let's see, brother. 698, 698. Oh, it will go over there for sure. Who is now thinking that market is going to fall? So 94% people are thinking it is going to take previous day high. So they are the winner. We are the loser. I was with this no. That means 5% people. I was wrong. 95% people has win. Congratulations. You're thinking now. Thinking now. Buy, sell, neutral, neutral. Let's see how many people are thinking about buy now. How many of you are thinking about sell now? Buy till 23,800. Okay, let's see. Friday crazy. I agree with you, brother. Friday is always crazy. But please vote over here. 44% people are selling. Again, I'm going against 44% people. I will be with buyers. I would love to see it will keep going higher. So I'm with 21% people. By the way, this is just an idea. Bro, do me a favor, please. Where is your MSS? There is no MSS, brother. There is no MSS. Yeah, bro, and for my weekly bias, it got 900 points upside this week. Congratulations, brother. That is why the weekly analysis is really so important. If you've done your weekly analysis, you have done 90% job already for the week. The rest 10% is you have to come, you have to show up every day and you have to push the button. That's all. Guys, can you please push the like button and subscribe to our channel? If you are new to our channel, please push the like button and subscribe to our channel. I have no intention to take the buy right now because it's in a deep premium area. I can't take the sell now because market is here and I really would love to see that it will come here, more importantly here. So I'm not interested to take any kind of sell, but if it started to go higher after taking some liquidity, then I will try to frame some kind of buy. Otherwise, selling is not my intention right now. But I can see that 52% people are voting for the sell. If you find any sell setup, let me know. Are you done for the day? I would love to trade one more trade actually, and then I'll be done. I want to trade one more trade. I think there is liquidity at the bottom that he will head towards. Let's see, sniper. You are the sniper, man. You have to know that why this market is reaching for. Hey P, I would love to wait for one more setup. Just one more setup. That will be my last trade. Win or loss, I don't care. Yeah, if the loss is like two handle, three handle, then of course I will go one more trade. Otherwise, if it is like 15-20 handle loss, then I'll be done. कभी जो बादल बरसे न देखा तुझे आंखें भर के तू लगे मुझे पहली बारिश की दुआ पहले मुझे न तुझे मेरे गम दिया फिर क्यों है तन्हा कर दिया. Nothing yet for me. Two to one for five. Let's go, man. By the way, if you find any sale, please go for that, okay? I still didn't find any sale, so I'm not doing anything. Okay, let me check how much is going to be the stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Yeah, 12 candles. I'll go for this. Let's see if it can take me. Ah, come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me. Let's see if it doesn't take me, then of course I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to chase it here right now. If it come back and take me to the order block before tapping to this candle, I will go for this trade. Before tapping to this box. If it tap to this box, I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to take it anymore. Bad luck. Market just didn't take me. Otherwise, it could take me, right? I could take a partial over here, hold my trade until the rejection block. Unfortunately, it tapped to the order block, bearish order block, so I'm not going to push the button from that area. How many of you are still thinking about sell? 49% people are thinking about sell, and I'm with 26% people. Guys, can you please push the vote over here to see how of how you are thinking? कभी जो बादल बरसे न देखा तुझे आंखें भर के तो लगे मुझे आधी बारिश की धूम. Don't revenge trade, bro, specifically on Friday. It's true, brother. Please don't revenge trade. Don't do the revenge trade. It's extremely harmful. Don't do that. Your delay is just 2 seconds. My delay is just 2 seconds. Is that my delay, brother? I think it's 4 seconds, if I'm not wrong. Got out at plus 500. Stop now. Now stop, please. You have made 500. Stop, brother. Don't chase the market. Please. There's a rules I didn't want to follow it right now because if there is a fair value gap above the order block, I should push the button from that fair value gap. So while it came to this fair value gap, I should take the entry from there. I just didn't follow it because the stop loss is going to be bigger. But in this type of situation, I can simply cover the order block only. But still, that is risky for me, so I didn't go for that trade. My plan was from order block, it didn't work. I didn't take the entry. I didn't chase the market. That's all, brother. I was waiting for that buy because while the previous day high, this is the previous day high is taken, it should keep going higher. If it would fail to take the previous day high, it would fall. I was extremely bearish here, but now I'm extremely bullish, and I'm still thinking that even if it failed to reach over here, it will come to this fair value gap at least until the 50% of this fair value gap. That's just my belief. Yes, sir, I'm done. I'm 1K from passing my second account. Wait, brother. Next week is a better week. Wait for the next week. Don't force the market right now to take the entry. Please. Okay, please. It's a request, brother. Why was that gap important to you? That from 948 to 950? That is the gap from the last fair value gap actually. See this last fair value gap? This is the last fair value gap. So it's extremely important to me. This is a random level now to me. This area is a random level because though it's this volume imbalance, which is the new day opening gap. Yesterday, when it tapped to this new day opening gap and fall here around this area, from there that fall, I was pretty much good with that fall. But this new day opening gap is valueless to me right now. The reason is it has already passed 5 trading days, so it's valueless to me. Of course, it can be valued for some other people, but it's valueless to me. So I'm not interested to use this gap anymore. As it has fallen here, as a hindsight, I have marked that gap yesterday, if you remember. Just as a hindsight, I have marked that gap, but it has no value to me. So right now the valuable place is here, and I would love to see at least week will reach until this green line, which is the 50% of the daily week. If you go to the daily chart, that is the 50% of the daily week. So at least until this area, which is a very obvious level to me now. So I'm not interested to think about sell as market has taken the previous day high. So there is nothing called previous day high is taken, now it will go for the previous day low. Now it's absolutely wrong. It is important only in Monday and Tuesday. Previous day high is taken, now I will start to look for sell if it is Monday and Tuesday. Out of Monday and Tuesday, no, I'm not interested about that. Just my opinion. Not buying here, it's in premium for sale. I need to see a break, swing low. Tap reading is best. Absolutely, Jahid, absolutely, brother. Top step expose, am I the only one facing it? I don't know about the top step. Is there anyone who trade through top step X? Please help Sresh Sharma. Is it frozen for everyone? Next week will be nice. CPI and PPI. Wow, that's my play zone. That's my game zone, man. CPI. I love CPI. I love CPI. You're most welcome, Matthew. But YM and ES are starting to look weaker. Yes, it is. Oh, okay. So I think the top step X has some problem right now. Let me see what is ES doing. Oh, so you're seeing that ES is little weaker. Was previous day high. I think this is the previous day high. That is not taken yet. That is not taken yet. Too far. It should go toward that previous day high, right? Let's see what happened in YM. Same thing. YM previous day high is over here, and it's just here. Either way, until now there is no selling setup, right? So we don't need to rush. Why you want to go against the trend? The trend is clearly buy trend, right? Why do I need to go against the trend right now? And you can see this candle has traded the entry fabric from 15-minute chart, then it started to go higher, right? There is a gap from 15-minute chart. Tap to this gap, now it is going higher. So let's wait. I stopped using top step because of the chart being frozen for the past week. I always request you guys to go for take profit trader, my funded futures, or something else. Top step X is expensive to me, too much expensive. $200 for one, just 50K account is just for $200. Come on, man. You can buy at least two account by that amount of money. Top step fridge. Okay, I can't take my loss. When I lose a trade, I go for revenge trade and blow my account. How can I fix that? Man, you are saying me the solution and you are asking me the solution. First of all, you told that when you take a loss, you just go for the revenge trade and you blow the account. So you know why you are blowing the account. You have to stop taking revenge trade. Fix a rule. Don't take not even a single trade in that same session. If you take a loss in morning session, wait for the PM session for your next trade. In the meantime, your mind will be cool, calm. You'll be safe, you'll feel good. Okay, if you take a loss around London session, wait for the AM session. If you take a loss around PM session, wait for the next day London session or morning session, whatever you trade. Just don't trade at the same session. If you are really struggling with that. Wow, where is the now still 47%? Come on, man. Come on, man. By the how many likes did I get? Did I get? Can I see it actually? Likes, 80 likes. Guys, please push the like button. 130 people are watching. Push the like button. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I missed this trade actually. Market didn't take me from the order block. I know the rules. If there is a fair value gap above the order block, I should take my entry from the fair value gap just because it was a bit risky to me, like here. That's why I didn't push the button from there. I wanted a clean trade. That is why I tried to take the entry from the order block. That was a clean trade. It is going higher. I told you beforehand that while this high, which is the previous day high, is taken, it will keep going higher. Those people who think that previous day high is taken, so now it will fall, it's absolutely a wrong concept. It is happening, it happens actually, but not every day. It happens only Monday and Tuesday. Most of the time, Monday and Tuesday. Previous day high is taken, it starts to look for previous day low. Out of Monday and Tuesday, there is no need to look for the previous day high as a liquidity or something like that. It doesn't have any value. It's simply valueless. Now you'll say, brother, who told you this? ICT never told that. ICT never tell that when the previous day is important. There is another buy. Don't want to take it, but there is another buy. I don't want to chase the market right now. Okay, so from here to here until there. Not going to chase it because it's in deep premium, so I can't take the entry right now. I had the opportunity, that's why I tried to push the button from the order block. From here, not interested. Take care, guys. Have a nice weekend. I'm signing off today. Chitu, brother, you are great. Love you. Take care. Thank you so much, man. Exactly, bro. But the team announced that after an analysis, if the freeze is just for seconds or few minutes, sometimes don't do that. It depends how long the freeze remains. Mhm. Follow the Discord of Top Step. All the information is there in real time. Okay, brother. Try to go over there and get some real information or live information. Guys, can you please push the like button and make the subscription 10,920? Can you go in for the no man, you can't do that. It is absolutely chasing the market from here. I really don't have that courage to take the entry over here. I know this market will come here. Not only here, it is coming there, but I can't take that risk. Okay, I can't inspire you to take the risk from here. This entry and that entry are the same, but here I had the support, this first presented fair value gap, but here I don't have the support, so I don't want to take that risk. If I would love to take that risk, I have to take the partial at least 15 handle. I have to clear the partial. Now I don't want to take a 15 handle partial, so I will just let this go. I don't want to chase the market. It will go higher, it will go higher. I don't want to take it because it's a low probable area. This was the high probable area to take the buy. This is the high probable, so I pushed the bottom over there. It's the low probable area, I didn't push it. I'll just let this go. So I'm framing this trade. That doesn't mean that you will push the button. Please don't do that, okay? Anyone? Can we go? Okay. Hey, Snow. How are you, brother? It's been a long, man. Super dog, Snow. That's good to know. Thanks. You're most welcome, Sam. To whom you are thanking, actually? I'm pretty much confident. I'm sure that you're not giving me the thanks. But you should give me the thanks about the previous day high. This is a very wrong concept. If I say this in public, there is some people who really is thinking in their mind, this guy is making new things. Previous day high is not liquidity. ICT told this is liquidity. Tanya told this is liquidity. Patrick told this is liquidity. ICT, everyone is told liquidity. I'm also saying previous day high, previous day low is liquidity. But in a very specific day. When? Monday, Tuesday. This is the 2 day where you should look for previous day high, previous day low, or previous week high, previous week low. Other than that, what did I say over here? When the previous day high has taken, I told that now it is a bullish market. It is a bullish market. Until the previous day high was not taken, I was bearish. I was thinking about bear selling opportunity, though I didn't get any. But while the previous day high is taken, what did I say? It's the bullish market now. I want to see this market will come until this line. Even if it fail, it will come until to this dot line over here. There was a limit buy placed at 1027 candle. I was not triggered by top step. Now I feel like dump. Please switch the top step. Come to take profit trader, brother. Come to take profit trader. My funded futures. Trade day. Then there are more, okay? Better than top step. It is expensive. I don't know why you guys actually like that expensive. Expensive prop firm. Please don't like that prop. I want too much money. $200. Let's see. Still 46% people are selling. Mm, so much interesting. Let me know where are you from? Where are you watching me? Push the like button, push the subscription button, make our community much more stronger, and learn something from the wizard. This information nobody is going to. Who told before me, who told you when the previous day high, previous day low is important? Who told you that? It is obviously it is important. Previous day high, previous day low is obviously it is so much important. But when it is important, when you should look for that? Previous day high is taken, now you should start to look for sell. If you knew that previous day high is taken, that means I should look for buy. If you knew it, you will be able to avoid lot of losing trade. Trust me, man. 1017 fair value gap candle, 1017 fair value gap candle, 1017 fair value. This one? Yeah, that was an entry to be honest, but I just wanted a clean entry, so I didn't take the entry from this gap. But I should push the button. I have told a lot of time in my life, if there is a gap above the order block, you should push the button from that gap, not from the order block. Is it done? No, sir. It is coming here. Trust me. It is coming here. I'm not sure about this line by today, but this is a line where this market should come. Blue Guardian futures can buy, of course, better, brother. It's cheaper, but you won't be able to push your button from TradingView. They have their own platform, so you can use the Blue Guardian futures. It's cheaper. I think $50 only. Hmm. Took a quick 1500 point scalp. Gangjong, how much is your profit for today, brother? Mika, so today's isn't TGIF. Of course, today's TGIF, but it's after 2:30. I have very specific time, brother. TGIF, you will start to look for TGIF after 2:30. Until 2:30, you forget about TGIF. There's nothing called TGIF. After 2:30, around 2:30, not exactly 2:30, around 2:30, like 2:15, 2:20, 2:25. From there, you will start to look for TGIF. Tito, I'm in this trade. Until when should I hold the trade? If you have taken the partial, hold it until here. Until here. If you have taken the partial by putting your stop loss to the break even. But if you didn't take the partial, close the trade immediately because it has tapped to the last fair value gap low. I know it is going to be breached and market is coming here. But at least if you don't take the partial, close the trade over here or take the partial over here. Then hold the trade until here. That dashed line, not exactly until here, maybe a bit lower of that dashed line, a bit lower. Okay, so make it 50 handle, just until 50 handle, something like that, until 50 handle. If you have taken the partial, We should see reaction now because we hit one of our last fair value gap. Yeah, there can be some kind of reaction, but the more importantly, this reaction should happen after taking this high. So if it take that high, without taking this high, if it give me the reaction, this is a bad sign. Something like this. If it give me the reaction before taking this high, if it give me take that high, that means it is doing something like that. We'll just take some liquidity here and then it will go higher again after taking some liquidity. Some kind of reaction should be happen over there. Sierra chart is the best. Sierra, what is that, brother? You're most welcome, Archana. Archana, are you trading with your funded account or your Eval account? I think that you had some funded account, two to three funded account, right? If I'm not wrong. And I hope that they are safe. I told you to wait until five funded account before starting to trade those funded account. Thank you, funded. Six. Now you have six funded account. Good, 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 sister. I like that. Follow one rule. One win, stop. Always take partial. Always take partial. One win, stop. Two loss, stop that account. Don't just immediately switch your account and chase the market. Don't do that. Wait for the next setup, next opportunity, then go for the trade. Without taking this high, if it give me the reaction, that means if it breach this fair value gap, there will be a selling opportunity. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that it's going to breach this fair value gap without taking this high. So it can fall a bit. This is called some kind of reacting from there, but eventually it should go through this area and take that high with speed. Man, girls has the patience thousand times better than the boys. Okay, boys are not patient enough, but girls has, like, they're very, because they're the mother. Okay, mother are always, mother have to be very patient. We disturb our mother a lot and they bear everything. So basically, genetically, Allah made them more, like, more bearable. They are not like us. I feel like that way, by the way. I have nothing to do over here. Okay, to be honest, I have nothing to do, so I'm just watching. Matthew, come on, man. Uh, I don't want to see that this gap is going to be violated. It should not be violated. This is my last line of barricade. It should be respected from this gap. If it doesn't, then that means it will keep falling. It will keep falling for a bit before going higher again. It will fall a bit before going higher again. That is why the partial is always so much important. You have seen that I took this buy here, right? I took the buy here. I immediately cleared my 3.3 from here and then hold, sorry, 3 here and then hold the rest 2 over there. Maximum portion of the contract I closed there, and then I just let 2 go over there. You see here, see here, that was an how can I shut down settings? Okay, that's good. I took 5 contract entry here, added more 5 here, got stopped out over there. Okay, all 10 contract I just got stopped out by just a tick. Then I took 5 contract entry there, added 3 here, added 2 there. Okay, so sorry, added 2 there, added 3 there. If I'm not wrong, let me see. I forgot very fast. Yeah, that is 3, that is 2, that is 5. That means 10. Look what I have done. I closed 7 over there. Out of 10, I closed 7 over there below this liquidity. So what I raised? 3. Then I closed 2 over there. And then hold 1 and got stopped out by trailing stop loss. By trailing stop got stopped out here. So maximum portion of my contract has been closed over there. You can see here, I did the same thing. 5 contract entry here. It's written over there. 5 contract entry closed. Why it's saying 5? Okay, I don't know why it's showing 5 actually, because maybe because of the same candle has give me both, because one I have closed there, another I have closed here. You have seen that it was on online, I mean absolutely in live. Okay, so actually I closed the maximum 3 here above the liquidity. This is that liquidity. Above that liquidity I closed 3 there, and rest 2 I closed over there, because if I get stopped out, I'll get stopped out with the smallest portion of the contract size. Maximum portion will be will be out already. Okay, will be closed already. So it came here. Always do that. Maximum portion, take the partial. No, I can't do anything over here. It's absolutely shit to do anything over here. No sell, no buy. It will go higher, but I can't take any kind of buy. I agree about that. I need only 30 points market. Please give me. You need 30 point? I think this candle was 30 point. No, it was 14 point. Let's see if it can give you 30 point from here or not. Man, come on. At least make it 10,915 subscriber. Two more subscriber. Come on, come on, come on. Push the subscription button. I'm waiting for the macro to see. I am interested to take one more trade actually. So if it gives me, then I will go for one more trade. But I need a clean trade. Say, what are you looking for? Buy or sell, brother? Still sell is 44%. Okay. I will wait until the buyers are bigger than the sellers. Nothing, right? Overall bullish. Yes, sir. It should be bullish. For me, nothing yet. 1009 and 1010 is breaker. 1009 1010 is breaker. 1009 1010 is this one. You're thinking this is the breaker? By the way, it's not my breaker. One of my brother is thinking this is the breaker block, so I'm going to mark it as a breaker block, as he's thinking like that way. It's not my breaker block. I'm taking my $50 home. Good decision, brother. That new day opening gap has been violated. I mean, it is not valid because it went above 5 days. I love to use 5 days only, so I don't want to use that new day opening gap anymore. This is why I told you guys to watch the breaker block video. Okay, then you will never think like every low, high, lower low, the highest up push candle is the breaker block. You'll never think like that way. It's not the breaker block to me. I just marked it because Rider YT told this is the breaker block. So I would love to see if it can hold the market, send it higher again. Yes, if I find something, I'll push my button. And it's my funded account, Apex. For this funded account, I took a challenge that if I can survive 20 trading days. So far, I have survived 5 days actually. Let's see if I can survive 20 trading days. But I'm pretty much confident that I'm not going to get the payout from here, from this account. I'll show you that. But I'm not going to get the payout because I have violated one of their rules, which is something like this. I took I took a buy here. Then if I want to add, I can add here. But mistakenly, I have added there. Below my entry, I added over there. So it's a violation of their rule. I can't add over there even though it hit my target, but as I have added over here 2 times actually, so I don't think so that they will approve my payout. We'll see. I have to make $1,800 in 2 weeks. If this was the case, with how would you proceed? I would go for 5 micro contract. 2 weeks for 1,800, I would go for 5 micro contract. Today, what do you think about short from 4 hour gap? I'm not thinking about short, brother. I'm thinking about a buy. Here I'm watching this week 50% actually here. If it can come until this 50% of that week, and then it will start to go higher. This is just the reaction from the low of this hourly last fair value gap, so still I'm bullish. But of course, Ben, if you find a sell, go for it, man. There's nothing wrong if you can find a sell over there. 5 micro and how many points per week? I don't know about how many micros per week, but per day at least 15 handle. At least 15 handle, but maximum time 20 handle. So we'll try to clear 3 micro contract around 15 handle, and we'll hold the rest 2 micro contract until 20 or above 20 handle, as much as I can get. And I'll go for 2 trade every day. If I take a loss, then also I will go 2 trade. If I take no loss, then also will get two trade every day. If that is the only mistake, they will approve your payout. I did the same and I was got paid with Apex. Oh, okay. Now I'm hopeful actually because that is the only thing I have done. I just mistakenly two times took the entry below my real entry. If it is the case, then of course I'll be survived. And I think that they will approve my payout because I'm using their code, like I'm promoting their platform. So I don't think so there will be any problem. But if they deny, then they will deny it because I did that mistake. But I'm still hopeful. And after seeing your comment, I'm more hopeful, brother. Thank you so much, Trading in the Zone. Guys, if any of you are interested about Blue Guardian futures, $50 only for 50K account, no activation fees. Please use the code BOGO50, BOGO50. You will get a reset actually. When you will request your first payout, you will get a free account. Either way, you will get a free account. And the link is to the comment. It is the link. Please use the link. I don't have any code because I don't have any sale. So please use the code, use that link and the code for the discount. Don't say that online. Oh, okay. Please forget whatever I told. Please don't listen that. Forget about that. I have to learn a lot, brother. Thank you so much. Gang. No, Blue Guardian has their own platform, which is kind of top step X type platform. But people are getting payout from there, and I'm pretty much confident that there will be no problem for the payout. So someone asked me last day that anyone got payout from Blue Guardian. Yes, people are getting payout from Blue Guardian. Matthew, you guys can check it out, okay? Their platform. Mm, okay. Project X, Volbook, Volsys, uh, yeah, Volbook, Volsys, Volume Trica Trading, and Project X. That is the platform they are using for trading. So I think people are using Project X rather than anything else. It's better. It's same like Trading View. This Project X. Okay, I'm going to remove this breaker block. Okay, let's see if it can provide me some kind of entry now. Daily payout. I have to check it, brother. Blue Guardian profit daily payout split 1500 then 90% after evaluation fees activation fees capped with 60 days. I don't think so. Daily payout is for funding ticks, take profit trader, and the trade day. They're the daily payout. They have the standard account where 50K account is just for $50. So payout period 7 days. Okay, payout period is 7 days for For standard Guardian, let me check. Guardian payout period is 14 days and instant is payout period is 14 days. So if you go for standard, it will take 7 days for your payout. Otherwise, this two will take 14 days. It is cheaper. That is the only thing. It's much more cheaper. Like 50K account just for $50. That is the fact here. $50 per month. If you pass it, they are not going to charge you. If you fail it and don't cancel the subscription, next month they will charge you again. If you cancel the subscription, they're not going to charge you again. Just the thing is, it's cheaper, $50. I'll let you know how FNF payout goes next week. I will post on Discord. What is FNF, brother? Funded next? If it is funded next, then I would love to show you something. I'm not sure about that, but I would love to show you something. Okay, just a second. Let me put it on the. I got this mail from Funded Next partner. I really don't know it is what it is. They told that, dear ICT Trading, hello, this is Ally, and I'm the partner manager at Funded Next. Funded Next is one of the largest investment management firms in the industry, having paid out 82.3 million over 44,000 traders worldwide in 2024 alone. You can visit our website to know us. Okay, I'm very interested to in partnering with you, and I firmly believe that this partnership will beneficial for both of us. Okay, and then they have offered me, like, here is what we offer: monthly salary, something like that, then commissions, coupon code, personal account, giveaway. Please let me know what you think about this. And then they told that please share your contact number so that we can discuss furthermore. Okay, I have no idea what is this, because I keep getting this type of email from different kind of prop firm. So I have no idea how to deal with this. No idea about that. Okay. I messaged to anyone new here. I had 8 funded trading accounts and lost all insured due to rushing to make money. Guys, please, if you are green for the day after 3 trades or to stop trading. Yeah, it's true, man. Target profit on hit, trailing second stop. Let's see, brother. They want your business. I would go on the website or message them there to see if email is real. Yeah, you can do that. If it is real, let me know, brother, to be honest, because I have no idea is it real or not, or some kind of I mean something, because I don't want to share my personal contact number because of something like this. Okay, like future partner fund, something like that. I really don't want to do that. Hey Ben, thanks for that. Boom, brother. Boom, 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 boom for you, brother. I'm just not interested to take the sell. I'm waiting to see if I can find a buy. Oh, I have to do that? I'm so sorry. I'm so lazy. I can't do that. Mr. got partial and 20 handle holding one runner. Let's go for that gang jump. Let's go for that, brother. Yep, it's true. I have enough firm actually. What do I have? I have Apex, I have Bullnox, I have My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Earn to Trade, then Tradify, Funding Ticks. That's all I have. I think it's enough. You know, funding ticks, zero sell, trade day, one sell, earn to trade, three to four sell, I guess, something like that. In my lifetime, okay. Tradify, I have bit sell over there. Take profit trader, bit sell, my funded future bit sell, Bullnox, like very rare. Apex, better. Apex is the best. I got the highest sell from Apex. I'll let you know if there's codes okay on Discord. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, I'll appreciate that. By the way, I'll go for a trade here, okay? There you go. Stop loss is going to be below this fair value gap. Just below that fair value gap. If it is a loss, I'm not going to push the button anymore today. Let it be there. Not exactly over here. Let it be there. Okay. Still handle for this bicycle liquidity. 32 handle. Sell limit. তুই দেয়ালে শরীরে যত রং ধুয়ে যাওয়া মানুষ নেশাদার প্রতিহিংসা তোমার চেতনার যত উদ্ভাসিত আলোর আকাশে মতন আকস্মাত নির্মলে ডুবে থাকা তোমার প্রিয় কোন মুক্তার চোখের কাছাকাছি এসে যেন পদে ভেঙে দুটো মসজিদ একে দুটো দেশের মাঝে মিশে আছি বেরোচ্ছে এখানে অনাবিল হাজার বদ্ধ ঘরে আসে যায় ঘুরে বেড়ে ওঠা মধ্যরাত্রি জমে আসে ভয় আলোকে চিনে নেয় অবাধ্য শহর ভেতরে কি নেই তা ক্ষমতা একা I've changed my mind. I don't want to hold it for 20 handle. I would love to hold it for 15 handle. And the rest I will hold it until 31 handle. Okay. Partial has been taken. Stop loss here. We'll say if it can reach not 32, make it 30 until 30. Oh, whatever it is, okay. Just make it until this. তবু এইখানে অনাবিল হাওয়া জানালা বদ্ধ ঘরে আসে যায় দেয়াল ঘরে ওঠা মধুরাত্রি জমে আসে ভয় আলোকে চিনে নেয় অবাধ্য শহর Did it went until 20 handle? No, it didn't. I'm a bit upset today. I thought that I'll get 10,950 subscriber. I didn't get it. I'm not feeling any interest anymore to hold this session for today. So I'll close it. After this trade, I'll just close it. You're most welcome. You're always welcome, Juan. You're always welcome. I think now it has given me 20 handle. Let me check. I was not feeling good to hold it until 20 handle, okay? So you can't blame me. I was not feeling good, so I didn't hold it. Yeah, now it has provided 20 handle. Hmm, it's not good. তুই আরেক ফুটন মনে থাক উড়ে যাক তোর কবিতা মাখা চল শহরে পুরানো শহর তুই আরেকটু মনে থাক উড়ে যাক তোর কবিতা মাখা চল শহরের বুক প্রেমিকেরা সব যাক যাক উপন্যাসের বর্ণনা দিয়ে ছিন্ন যায় আমি আলো তাই পিছে পড়ে রই দিশেহারা তুই আর আমি মিলে তুই আমার নীল আকাশ ছেড়ে উড়ে গেলি তুই আমার বুকা অভিমান তার পুরনো চাদরে আমি মাথা গুঁজে শুই খারাপ Okay, by the way, guys, very slow market. Mm, mhm, 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 mhm. I have a question, brother. Why are you not considering the 50-minute bearish order block with the stacked? It traded the hourly last fair value gap. 15-minute order block. I mean, okay. First of all, I didn't care about that. It's fault. I mean, it's not true. I care about that. That is why I didn't hold my trade for 20 handle. Instead, hold my trade for 15 handle because I was afraid of this area that it can be traded, give me the reaction, send the market lower. Whatever it will give me here, that is going to give me the reaction. I'm not interested to see the reversal from here because low rejection has an nature, consonant constant rejection. I don't believe in low rejection. If you ever see market has traded any kind of last fair value gap low, always expect that this low will be taken. So for the first time, if it has taken that high, whatever high it has made here for the first time, if it could take that high, it wouldn't fall until here, never ever. But as it failed to take that high, that means it is falling for long, and after falling it is going higher again to take that high. When it will take that high, it is most probably it will reach until the 50% of that last fair value gap. It would be my best order block if it wouldn't reject from exactly from the low of this fair value gap. Instead, maybe it has been rejected from here, okay, maybe until the upper quadrant of this last fair value gap. This could be my best rejection block, sorry, order block to think about sell. As it has rejected exactly to the low of this gap, that means it is coming back again to take that high. I believe like that way. So I would frame the buy, but this order block can give me some kind of reaction. I'm afraid of that. This is why I didn't hold my trade for 20 handle. Instead, I hold it until 15 handle. So if it can give me 15 handle, I'll take the partial, and by trailing stop loss, I'll get stopped out. That's all. Is that clear, brother? The main problem is low rejection. Last fair look up, low rejection never happen. Low rejection means consequent enforcement rejection. This is the nature of the last fair value gap. Most of the time, not always, most of the time. I cancel my buying from here. The reason is still it is working with this order block. So from taking a buy here, it's absolutely risky because this order block can give me some kind of reaction. I didn't want to get chopped up over there. That is why I cancel. See, when I got stopped out, I frame another buy here, right? Another buy, but later I just closed it because I don't want to take the risk over here from this order block. You're most welcome, Sujivan. I love you, man. Still, I'm good. Okay, today's is really a great day for me, and it's absolutely a great day for me. I don't know how do you think like about this thing. Yeah, yesterday I have blown one of my Eval account. No shame to say that I have blown the Take Profit Trader Eval account, 50K account. Uh, just did something wrong, over traded, over leveraged, and blew the account. Didn't wait for the setup. Just keep pushing button, keep pushing button, keep pushing button. I took maybe near about 20 to 30 trades within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, something like that. Push the button, put a stop loss smaller, got stopped out. Push the button, put a stop loss smaller, got stopped out. I did those bullshit yesterday and I blew that account. that I took some losses the day before, I mean, around the London session, and I blow it. But it is what it is. That is why I'm very much careful about my funded account. I don't want to blow this funded account. I would love to survive here for 20 trading days. So today is going to be the 5 trading days where I'm with this funded account. That's why I was waiting for the perfect setup to push the button here. That order block you have seen, I pushed the button, tried to push the button from there, but I didn't chase the market from there. This was a different matter here, just because I had the support first presented gap. That's why I chase the market from there. Otherwise, I wouldn't go for that trade as well. Here I did a mistake. I could put the entry from order block top, but this is absolutely shit. I mean, sometimes I feel like market can watch me. Okay, sometimes I feel like that way. It can watch me. It just tapped the high. It never reached to the open. Where most of the time you'll see that it reached until the 50% of this first presented gap, then it started to go higher. But when I put my entry around here, it doesn't take me. You'll understand that if I show you the execution. Most of the time it happens with me. This sell was a perfect sell for me. Even I was so much confident about that sell. It was coming. I knew it. I took sell 5 here. I added 5 more over there. Okay, I told that I did some wrong here. That is one. Here I took 5. When this market went higher, I added more 5 over there. Now I got stopped out here. Okay, look what happened. See, just by tick, you'll be able to see it better. Okay, so keep it like this way. I'm showing you this. Look, where did it stop me out? I just got stopped out by just tick. It doesn't need to stop me by tick. Okay, here. And then this market fall. So it doesn't need to give me that $40-50 loss over there. It doesn't need to do that, but it has done that. So sometimes I feel like it can see my stop loss or it can see my entry point. That's why it doesn't give me the entry or it doesn't give me the stop loss. I mean, it just stopped me out before falling. But I was so much confident about, that's why I pushed re-entry over there. That was expected to me. I mean, how to say, I don't know, but like this is what it is. Something here you have seen that when I have tried to take the buy from here, it just came until there, trade the top of this fair value gap, never reach until the open. My entry was just to the top of this first presented gap. What was wrong with him? What was wrong with him? Fortunately, I got entry over here just by one tick. Maybe I just got one tick entry over there. And here that was the reason for taking the partial around 15 handle, because I was not thinking that it will come until the top of this area, because this is a very strong area, this order block area. Most importantly, this open of this order block, it can give me some kind of reaction or a lot of chop. See this type of, it can give me this type of chop. That is why I changed my mind and closed the partial over there. Now I don't want to keep it open because people will say that I'm over trading, but I'm not over trading. I have outlined some trade over here. Did I push the button? No. When I feel confident, I push the button. Sujivan, I love to read that. Keep going, brother. Pay yourself always. I took my 6th payout yesterday from Take Profit Trader. I will take another small withdrawal on Monday. You have already made it, man. I love you. You are the one who is making me more happier. Thank you so much, brother, for sharing all of this payout with our community. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate that. I showed it actually with my live, your payout. I talked about this payout yesterday. I think you are not here, but I talked all of your payout over there. But thank you so much for posting the profit over here. This could be my buy here from there. Stop loss has to be that candle. Now please don't push the button, okay? Because this is now trading the order block, which I'm not confident enough. Is it going to be breached or is it going to be chopped for the rest of the time? I have no idea. Like that is why I didn't, I just cancel my idea and that buy I canceled it. Great trade breakdown and explanation, big nuggets of knowledge. Thank you, John. Where are you from, John? Sujivan, thank you. I wasn't here yesterday. Yeah, I know that. To the kids, to the beach. Oh man, enjoy your time, brother. Did I have a question? Having six funded accounts, should I copy? No. Should I copy trade in all? No, 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 no. You have to go one by one. You have six funded account, right? You have six funded account. Now, today you start with one funded account. In one funded account, maybe you got one win. Switch that account. One is gone. You come to your second funded account. Okay. Then you waiting. Then you took a loss. One loss. Then you have traded another one, another account, and maybe that is a win. Just for the sake of this conversation, that is a win. Stop. Second account is done. You will go for your third account. Third account, okay? You took two loss over there. Loss over there. Stop. Still you have time. Then go for four account, for number four account. If you don't have the time, your trading is done for today. Tomorrow you will come with your fourth number account. This account you are not going to touch. Your fourth number account, you will go maybe first fourth number account, you took two losses. Okay, stop over there. Go to your fifth account. You took maybe one win. Man, you don't have the time limit. It will take forever to get your first payout. No worries, take forever. Go your fifth account, two loss, stop. Go to your sixth account, two loss, stop. Come back again to your one account, one win, stop over there. Second account, one win, stop over there. Like this is how you will go one after another, one after another, one after another, until you are not going to finish your six, number six. You are not coming to number one again. Okay, sister? You are from USA. Okay. Thank you, brother, for being here from USA. But always stop one win if it is $50. Okay, you need at least $200, okay, for making five winning days. But unfortunately you got a win that is $50. Stop over there. Win means win. Stop over there. Loss means loss. If you take a break even trade, okay, you take and trade, and with the commission it's like 0 0. Like you took an entry, it's 0 0. Stop that account, don't touch it. Why I'm saying that? Because like, look over here, see this price. I took a buy here. Let me show you this. This worked, this happened with me, okay, a lot of time. I took a buy here, I took a partial here, then got stopped out. I'm feeling like to push the button again over here. So I'm going to do, I'm going to ignore this order block. So what I will do, I'll push the button, same entry, same logic, same everything. I'll push the button, and maybe that is a loss. So this win is going, I'm going to give the market again. Maybe that is like $10 profit. I don't care, but that profit I'm going to give the market again. No, I don't want to do that. I took one win, I closed that account and then come back to next account. Then we'll push the button here. No, same setup. Don't use it twice. Thrice. Don't do that. Wait for the next setup, next area. This area is done because you have done either the loss or the win, because you tried two times here, right? Two times, and both of them are losses. Stop trading in this area. This area is not good for you. You are not right in this area. Later you will see a better price action and you will think that, oh man, why I pushed a lot of time button over there. I should have waited until here, and now I should have push the button. Okay, you feel a lot of time, you will feel like that way. So don't force the market from the same setup again and again. At least try twice. Now sometimes what happen, you take a buy here and got stopped out, maybe two handle, three handle loss, very small loss, very small loss. You tried another buy, maybe that is 10 handle loss. So you have two losses, but the first loss is like two handle, three handle, something like that, or maybe five handle, very small. Okay, like very small loss. go for one more time. If you believe that setup, go for one more time because your first loss is very small. Then go for the last entry, but put your stop loss in a very logical level. Remember yesterday what I have done? By the way, that was the London session. 5 handle, 4 handle, 2 handle. That was the loss. 549 to 11 handle loss. So don't think that it's a huge loss. It was a 9 handle loss because I was late and I was in live in, what is that? Yeah, there. You remember yesterday what I have done? Was that yesterday? No, it's not the yesterday. I will tell you, you will understand that. I believe that. I think this was yesterday. Yes, this was the yesterday. Here. For the first time, I took a sell here and unfortunately I got lost there, right? If you remember, I put my stop loss here and I got a loss. There was a loss. Next time I pushed the button again, and that time I didn't put my stop loss very smaller. I put the most logical level I should put the stop loss. I put it above that order block. So if you take a loss, the next entry, don't ever think that okay, this time I'm going to put my stop loss very smaller. If that is logical, no problem. If it is not logical, don't do that. It's our human nature. If we get a loss, the next entry we think that okay, we should put, I should put my stop loss much more smaller. If it is a loss, it's gonna be a very small loss. It's kind of telling the stop loss to be hit. Don't do that. Go with your analysis and put your stop loss exactly where you should put it. If you think that it's more than your limit, like for me it's 20 handle is maximum. If it is 27, I'm not going to take that entry. I don't care. But if I would love to push the button, I will push the button by putting the stop loss exactly over here. So if you remember my next trade or the next entry I took, it was 25 handle stop loss. And I told that this is the, after a long time, I'm taking this 25 handle stop loss after a long time. So that was something like this. Even though 25 handle, but I knew it that this order block should not be breached. That's why if it would breach, that means I'm done for the day. Okay, just go like that way, brother, sister. You have 600 account, you have the opportunity to get your freedom. Trust me, you have the highest opportunity to get your freedom. Don't waste this just by over trading, just by over leveraging, just by emotional, bad decision. Don't do that. Slowly forget about money. Focus. If you can survive 20 trading days, that means if it is loss, if it is win, you don't care. All you want to do is in that account you will survive for 20 days. You will keep trading every single trade, I mean account, at least for 20 days. After 20 days, if you think that you got a payout, in the meantime, if you, of course, if you get the payout, of course request it, but try to survive for 20 trading days, and then okay, I don't care about your account anymore because you will get your payout for sure. So win or loss, I need to switch the account, correct? Absolutely. And from the same setup, you don't push the button. You took one win here, you switch the account and try to push another win from the same setup. No, let the whole zone to go. This is the zone, okay? For example, here, this is a zone, there is a setup. This is a zone, there is a setup. This is a zone, there is a setup. This is a zone, here is a setup. This is a zone, here is a setup. So leave that zone. If you take two losses here, leave that zone. Let the price go away from that zone, that price area. Let him go, let her go from that zone. When it will come to next zone, then trade. Try to frame another trade. Some days will happen like out of six account, you will see that you will only get one or two trades, just one or two trades. Stop over there. No need to force. You have no time limit. Within 1 month, do you need to trade? No. If it takes 12 months, no problem. So don't force. Just don't force. Stop. Learn how to stop and focus to survive. By the way, I got 10,915. Sorry, 16 actually. Thank you so much, whoever has subscribed to our channel later. I really appreciate that. If anyone has any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm done for today. Okay. It was not a bad day. We have framed a trade here, perfect win. Another trade I have framed, perfect win. Here are some. It is what it is. Anybody has any question? Thanks to you, great information. You're most welcome, sis. I'm just waiting for you. So, Archana, I want your payout request over here. I don't want to see this guy only posting his profit here. No, I don't want him only to post the profit. I want all of you to post your profit over here. When you will get your first payout or second payout or third payout, it will be like an addiction to get the payout. It will be kind of addiction. Your addiction will tell you what to do. Trust me. But for that, you need at least 2 to 3 payout. This guy, I don't know, Sujivan is still over here or not. He is now addicted to get payout because this is an addiction, and this addiction will let him play the game in a right way, absolutely the way he should play the game. This addiction will help him to play that game that way because he is getting the payout. This is sixth payout. He is waiting for his seventh payout. This is kind of addiction, trust me. If you ask him in the Discord, he will, even if he didn't notice, no problem. Ask him later, he will tell you that, oh, it's kind of addiction. I'm happy when I'm getting some money. It's kind of a feelings. Okay. Oh, okay, if I can make like $300, I'm going to get another payout. Wow, awesome. This kind of addiction, work with this addiction. You have to get that addiction. This will change your game. Gangs, I'm gonna wait for one more macro. I don't have any other macro today. I'm done actually. So to be honest, my trading is done here. Kaiser, do you have video on real versus fake SMT, brother? Hey Kaiser, you'll get that. Did I do that? Yeah. In our membership area, in the membership live, I don't remember exactly who is live. As you are my member, Kaiser, you will be able to see that. Fake SMT, real SMT. You will get every kind of information from that live. It's in the members only live, okay? Inside the playlist, you will see that members only live or membership, something like that, whatever. You will find that SMT things from there, brother. Here, I'll do my best. I am waiting for that, sis. Oh, okay, Sudiban is here. Learning a lot from you, no problem, sis. So I can say Sudiban is yes, taking smaller payout regularly is very good for my psychology. Don't you feel like addiction, brother? Like something, like I'm a smoker, right? I feel like I have to smoke. Something like that. Don't you feel like that way? That I got that payout, so I have to get another payout. And for that, whatever you need to do, you will do that. Shachin, I'm always the best, man. Shachin, I'm always the best. Of course, I love it. Yes, it's true, Sujivan. I'm not lying to you guys. It's true. Whatever I'm saying, it's true. But you have to wait for that situation, that mindset, that psychology, that focus. That's all, nothing else. Hey Mahadi, what is your result for today's trading, brother? Are you in green or red? Or did you trade? Didn't you trade at all? Sometimes you will see that Arch- I'm telling this only Archana. Sometimes you will see that your funded account is in loss, okay? 500, $600 loss. Go to the, maybe you are trading 5 micro contract. Go to your 3 micro contract. Target $50 every day. Just $50. Forget about your loss. Forget everything. Target your 50 day. I mean $50. You take an entry, 3 micro contract, $6. That means 8 handle. You just need 8 handle. Just 8 handle. Target $50 every day. You will never notice when your loss has been mitigated and you are in a profit already. You will never notice that. I'm break even and I'm out of the game for the rest of the day. Today is mental capital preservation day. Please, please, please don't force the market today. It can do whatever it wants to do. So wait until the, I mean, if you find better, good setup, go for that. But don't force the market. I need $50 more to pass this level. Don't do that. Friday is the difficult day in a week. This is the most difficult day. Get 52, I'll follow that. Yeah, I just told you $50 as an example, but I mean, depending on your account size and your account target. I mean, for example, I always, what I do, I take a 3 micro contract entry. My intention is I will take a partial around 20 handle and I will hold my trade as long as I can hold it by trailing the stop loss. But I will try to take a partial around 20 handle. Okay. So 20 handle to 2 micro contract, I'll close over there. So it will be $80. So if I'm in a great loss, okay, so much loss, what I will do, I will go for $15, 15 handle to take my partial and hold my trade until $20. I don't care where the market went. Okay. I really don't care about that. It's just, I don't care about that. I'll just hold it until $20, 20 handle, something like that. So take your decision, make your plan, and execute your plan. That's all. Oh, that's cool, sis. If you don't take more than 3 microcontract, it's cool. Just stop over trading then. If you are fixed with 3 microcontract, stop over trading. That's all you have to do. Just survive 20 trading days. Nothing else. I need you to survive 20 trading days. You are not getting payout. Don't give a shit. I promise you, sister, after 1 month or 2 months, if you can survive, you will get a lot of payout. You never think about that. Never ever think about that. If you can survive just 20 trading days, that means 1 month. In 1 month, you will have just 20 trading days, maybe 22 trading days. You have to just survive until then. And then you will never notice that when you have started to get your payout. Never ever you will notice that. You will just see that, oh, okay, I can request a payout now. Wow, how does it happen? I never notice. I talk too much because how do I know that I talk too much? I got a lot of suggestion from you guys. Actually, some of you have given me a lot of advices. Still, you are giving me the advices, and where I got this objection a lot that I talk too much. But whatever I'm saying, this is trading. Talking about this price action is not trading. Just a guy like a baby, okay, who is 5 years old, he can trade or she can trade. She can be profitable without knowing anything of this price action, nothing at all. Just she has to follow something, and that is not over trading, not over leveraging. We are beneficial because we know where we should push the button. We have that knowledge. Sometimes we are wrong, sometimes we are right, but it's like 50-50, always 50-50. If you can build an habit to take the partial in the most, did you ever see that I hold my trade? I took a five contract entry. Okay, I took a 5 contract entry and I am holding my trade for 33 handle without taking partial. Did you ever see me that? Whenever I take my entry, I first confirm that I closed maximum portion of my contract around 20 level. Do I have anything over there? No, I don't care. This is that buy side liquidity. Okay, it is around 17 handle. I don't care. I'll close my trade exactly around 17 handle. If I feel like that it is going above that liquidity level 5 handle, then maybe I will close my trade around 20 handle. Otherwise, what I have done over here, I had no nothing over here. I was feeling like that, okay, maybe it is not coming for 20 handle. So I closed my trade, I mean, sorry, partial around 15 handle and trailed my stop loss. Then got a stood out here. What did I lose? Nothing. Partial will always make you profitable. Always. If you think this market is falling, okay, it is falling from here to here until the sell side liquidity. Make sure you have cleared the partial. I was pretty much confident that this market is going for that fair value gap from 1 minute chart. That was the fair value gap. I was feeling like that this market will come to this fair value gap. Trust me. That is why I was holding the trade. So my one contract, last contract was here. That was my target. Let me remove this. I took my entry there. Okay. Think like this is my entry. This is my entry. Okay. I took my first partial around this area, which was near about 15 handle. So far I remember. Okay, here somewhere here 15 handle, and my stop loss was above that high. That was my stop loss. I added more, and I closed my maximum portion. Look here, out of 10 contract, I closed 7 contract over there, just 7 contract over there. Why? Because this is the most logical level, and according to my target, like near about 15 handle, it was 15 handle. Okay, not near about, it was exactly 15 handle 1 tick. So I closed my 15 handle 1 tick exactly over there. Then I feel that that area, that midnight open can hold the market, send it higher. So what I have done, I closed another 2 over there out of 10. So 9 is done. Now I'm thinking that this market is coming to this fair value gap. So what I did, I trailed the stop loss, I trailed the stop loss, I trailed the stop loss, and finally I got stopped out over here around this area. And then market fall and came to this fair value gap. What I lose? 1 contract. Okay, no problem. But maximum portion has been done over there, right? That's why I'm profitable here. All of my loss has been mitigated over there by that partial. So always be careful about your partial. Like magic. What is that, Sachin? Like magic? Never think you talk too much. I need you to talk too much. Okay, thank you, Sujivan. How do I know the difference between confidence in bias and over trading? I was upset. I got stopped out on my short for a small profit, but I was confident in the short. Took it again, now small green. Forget about me. Think about you, okay? So I am Ben Cruz and I'm feeling confident that this market is going to fall. First, your job is to look for where is the entry point. So by anyhow, you think that this is coming from here, okay? From there. It is coming from there. So you are confident about your bias that it is going to fall. So you're confident about that. You took the entry here and put your stop loss maybe there, just for the sake of this conversation. And you are confident that this market is going to take this low. Just for the sake of this conversation, it is going to take this low. You took maybe three contract entry. Okay, there is 3 contract entry. Now it is 47 handle. You closed your trade exactly where you think that it is coming for. For the sake of conversation, I always go for 20 handle. For the sake of this conversation, think like 20 handle. You closed out of 3, you closed 2 over there. Put your stop loss to the break even, or maybe you trailed it bit lower, and then this market is falling, this market is falling until here. You trailed your stop loss from there to until here. Okay, you trailed your stop loss over there, and this candle stopped you out. You knew this is coming here, or maybe it is coming to fall until this area. You knew it, but you got stopped out over here after taking the maximum portion out in the most logical level, and then you got stopped out. I don't care how confident you are about that sale or about this market will come here. You are already profitable from this trade. Why you should take re-entry over there? Now, you took the entry here. Okay, for the sake of this conversion, maybe you took the entry over there. Your target is same area here, and your stop loss is here. Okay, just for the sake of this conversion, your stop loss is over here. You got stopped out prematurely, got stopped out. Now you have to find out, why did you get stopped out over there? What was the reason for getting stopped out over there? Is that your stop loss placement, or is that because your stop loss was in a right area but market doesn't want to fall, instead it would love to go higher? If you find out that, okay, I got stopped out because my stop loss was tight, it is trading the order block from 15-minute chart, so it was absolutely right over here, my stop loss placement was wrong. Re-enter over there again. Put your stop loss exactly where you think that this market is not reaching for. Go for the same trade for the same area where you are thinking, by the same way, taking the partial, hold the rest for the target where you think this market will go, by putting the stop loss in the most logical level. Because first time you put your stop loss in a very wrong place. Okay, just for the sake of this conversation, it was in wrong place. So next time when you enter, put your stop loss in the right place and then go for the trade if you are so much confident about that. This is how you can re-enter. But for example, you put your stop loss over here and you got stopped out. This market stopped you out here, and there is something that is telling you, no, maybe my bias is wrong, it is going higher. So there is another opportunity, but don't go for this trade. Why? Because now you're confused. Is it going higher or is it going to fall? This all depend how confident you are about your direction. Here I was confident about that buy. Okay, so for the first entry, the first presented gap, forget about that. Just forget about that because that is the first presented gap entry. I was so much confident about this buy until here, okay? That is going to be taken buy side liquidity, okay? Forget about the first presented gap. Think like this is the entry I'm taking depending on the price action, and I'm confident this market is coming for this buy side liquidity. So what I have done, I took a buy here and I put my stop loss below this low, okay, below that candle low where I should put my stop loss, and I put my target over here. Then I have seen that this candle stopped me out, so I'm watching this candle now. Let me move it here. Watching this candle, why it stopped me out? Later I find out, oh okay, it stopped me out because it would love to trade the 8:30 open, as well as it would love to trade the opening gap fully closed, and then this candle closed inside this gap, right, inside this first presented gap. That means still it is holding the market. Wick did the damage. It doesn't mean that the very next candle I'll push the bottom. No, I need more confirmation. Is it really would love to go higher for this buy side liquidity? Sometimes what will happen, it will never give you the opportunity. Instead, it will take the buy side liquidity. Okay, it happens sometimes. No need to chase the market. It went higher, closed here. How does it look like over there? Let me show you this. Ben, this is for you, okay? How does it look like over there? Can't you see that? It's clearly telling me I'm going to take that buy side liquidity. It's very clean. Your sell side liquidity is here. I'm not interested to take your sell side liquidity. I'm more interested to take your buy side liquidity. I have confirmed that I'm going for that. Instead, you know how to mark the buy order block. So you have seen that there is a perfect order block. So what you have done, okay, I would love to take my entry from the order block, going to cover the order block low. It's 24 handle, can't cover this. So what I am going to cover, going to cover the 50% of that week by my stop loss, okay? So something like that, and going to target this buy side liquidity. Again, I missed this trade because I wanted to enter from the first presented gap, and I was pretty much confident that it will tap to this open of this order block. Next candle fall, took you and give you the boom. Okay, over here you got your boom. Perfect. থাক থাক শোক, আমি খাবো না এরপরে, এই জন্য আগের থেকে এসে প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছে। ও বুঝে, ও একদম তোমার কপি হয়েছে আম্মা, একদম তোমার কপি, বিশ্বাস করো আম্মা। না না, তাই কি বলছি আমি? না, ও তো তোমার মতো একদম পুরো সেম টু সেম, কপি টু কপি কাট। If you miss this trade, I'm sorry guys, my mother actually came, so I talked to her. If you miss this trade, means you have no trade. You are 100% confident this is going to be taken. I don't give a shit. But brother, you chase the market. Please don't chase the market. Please don't chase the market. It's my request. If you feel confident and if you miss this trade, means you have missed that trade. Let it go. Don't chase the market. Maybe the whole day you will miss the trade. I don't care, man, at all. But don't chase the market. Never ever chase the market, please. I framed my buy from that order block, remember? Let me show you this. I framed my buy from that order block. Okay, so my stop loss was over here, and my target was that open here. That was my target, but after taking 20 handle partial, whatever it is. Did market came here? No. Now I have an opportunity to take the push the button from this gap. I choose not to push the button over here. Then I showed you this entry over there around this area, right? From this gap to until the low of this hourly gap. Did I push the button over here? No, because I missed the perfect entry area over here. It's called chasing price. Here there was a ghost on my head, okay, on my neck there was a ghost. That's why I chased the market over here. But here I told myself, please don't chase the market, please don't chase the market. It will build a bad habit, and it will give you the confidence to chase the market every time, and that will hurt you more than your expectation. So don't chase I was keep saying that to me, don't chase the market, don't chase the market, don't chase the market. You have to do this type of things. Don't chase the market. Instead, let it go. You missed it. No problem. Market will give you lot of opportunity. What I'm looking for, buy, right? This area, just look over here. What do you see here? Now, this is just for the sake of this conversation. This is that 15-minute gap, entry gap, which has taken this low. All the sell side liquidity has been taken. Look, this low has been taken as well. Everything has been taken. There is a market structure shift, entry fair value gap, breakaway gap. If this market could tap to this gap, I was looking for buy. I would love to take a buy from there. For the sake of this conversation, it is inside the zone. It is inside everything. Okay, and my stop loss maybe here is going to target for first for this buy side liquidity here. Clean highs. Market never leave the clean highs. Never ever. See here, this is very clean highs, so that is going to be taken for sure. And then I will hold because this high will be taken one more time. I believe that all of this sell, I don't care at all, at all. This fall, I know that it's going to give me another opportunity to take the buy. I'm not interested to take this sell. I'm not just going to change my bias because I have seen this market is falling. No, it is falling to give me another opportunity to take the buy. I missed me. Okay, market didn't take me over here. It didn't tap to this parallel gap. My bad luck. I knew this is going to take that clean highs over here, but it didn't give me the opportunity. I'm not going to chase the market from here. This is something you have to understand. You have to tell yourself what you want to do, brother. Do you want to take that entry, or do you want to chase the market? If you chase the market, I promise you, brother, you will keep losing money. One time you will be lucky and you will get $1,000 profit by one trade. Next 10 times you will be wrong and you will lose $10,000 by chasing market. This is the nature of chasing market. Never ever chase the market. Lot of talking, right? Thanks to you, great advice. You're most welcome, Ben. I think he has already left the stream because I didn't stop. I keep talking, I keep talking. Sorry, Ben. I had a small profit from my funded account and 2K profit in my Eval account. I want to end the week with a positive note. If I trade more and maybe lose, then my whole weekend would be ruined. Absolutely, brother. Stop trading. Today is Friday, Mental Capital Preservation Day. Don't avoid this. Don't forget about this. You have to preserve your capital. Oh, Ben, you are still here. Sorry, brother. I never stop. When I start to talk, I never stop. By the way, thank you so much, guys, for being over here. Is there anyone who didn't give me the like? Can you please make the 100 likes? I have 95 likes actually. So it will be better if you push the like button and make it 100 likes before closing the stream. I'll be very grateful to you guys. Is there anyone who didn't push the like? Please push the like button. I had an idea to get 915 subscriber. I have already got that. 916 actually. Just need three more likes. Please push the like button before closing the stream. Mahdi, please give me the likes, man. Two more. There you go. Now I got 100 likes. See how I am getting the likes. This is that clean highs that is going to be taken. By the way, this is not that area to trade. Please don't trade in between 11:30 to 12:50 time zone. That is the time zone for lunch hour. Don't trade over there. Instead, wait for the PM session 12:50. I hope that you will get your desired profit. Okay, if you are still profitable, don't trade anymore. Today is Friday. Keep your keep your money safe. Likes on the way. I got it already. 100 likes already. Okay, exactly 100 likes, man. Come on. This is some kind of great achievement for me. And when I'm going to get 10,000, 11,000 subscriber, guys, how long it will take? By the way, I will come maybe around the PM session as well. Uh, but not going to trade my funded account anymore because it's more than enough I was needed for today. So If it is okay with you guys to talk about the price action, then I'll let me know to the comment box as well as to the Discord after closing. Then I'll try to come around the PM session. Okay, I'll choose wrong. CSD, please little tail. Here I am seeing wrong order block. Look, brother. First of all, you told that wrong order block. Now, what do you mean by wrong order block? I have no idea, brother. So, wrong order block, what do you mean by that? End of August, brother. I am expecting 11K subscriber by the end of this month. By the end of this month, I need how much? 84 subscriber. Today is 8 August. So I have 22 days on my hand. Within 22 days, 84 subscriber. Is it really possible? Let's see. Suziban, if I get it, I'll give you a personal thanks by the PM. It has built the exact highs again. If it fall now, I will be very happy because around the PM session I will get that buy. Even though I'm not going to trade anymore today, but still I'll try that. So thank you so much guys for being over here. I'm not sure about the PM session, but if you guys tell me around the Discord, then I will be back around the PM session just for tape reading, not pushing the button. Okay. So until then, cheers. Otherwise, I'll be back around tomorrow morning session. See you. Bye bye.